So they sent us this Flamivec drone, and now I'm going to be honest, drones can be intimidating, especially if you're buying one for kids or for someone who's never flown one before. But this ended up being a lot more fun and way easier to use than what we expected. The cool LED lights make it exciting right out of the box, and the dual 720 HD cameras are surprisingly decent for casual photos and videos. This is not meant to be professional, but it is perfect for learning and just having fun. What I really liked was how beginner friendly it is. Features like gesture control, altitude hold, and 3 speed modes make it easy to start slow and then build with confidence. The 3D flips add that wow factor. Once you're comfortable, and things like waypoint flight and gravity control make it feel more advanced without being overwhelming. We tried it indoors and outside, and once you get the hang of it, it's a blast to fly it. It feels like the kind of drone that actually gets used instead of sitting in the box after the first day. What I would think this is great for is it's easy for beginners and kids to learn. It's fun LED lights, it's got the decent camera, gesture control and simple takeoff, multiple speed settings, and it's entertaining for both kids and adults. If you're looking for a starter drone that's fun, approachable, and doesn't feel stressful to fly, this drone is a great option for beginners, kids, or anyone just wanting to try drones without a huge learning curve.